Hi everyone, I will show you how to turn on post notifications on Instagram. Open your Instagram app and open the profile which you have followed. Now you can see the bell icon on the top right. Tap the bell icon. Now you can see the notification options, the post, stories, videos, reels and goes live. Now tap the post option. If there is a problem with this video, so ask in the comment. Any problem related to social media and internet, let us know in the comment bar so we can make a video on it. Please like this video and press the bell icon for any update.